Layer 2, data link. Oh, this is a short one. The data link layer focuses on the physical addressing of the transmission. It receives a packet from the network layer, including the IP address for the remote computer, and adds in the physical MAC address of the receiving endpoint. Inside every network-enabled computer is a network interface card, which comes with a unique MAC address to identify it. In networking, MAC usually stands for Media Access Control. A MAC address is the hardware address set by the manufacturer in network interfaces cards. In identity management and access control, MAC stands for Mandatory Access Control. An operating system using MAC would prioritize security even if this means limiting users' abilities. MAC addresses are set by the manufacturer and literally burnt into the card. They can't be changed, although they can be spoofed. When information is sent across a network, it's actually the physical address that is used to identify where exactly to send the information. Additionally, it's also the job of the data link layer to present the data in a format suitable for transmission. Pretty cool. Data link. What is the name of this layer? Data link. What is the name of the piece of hardware that all network devices come with? Media access control. Wait. Piece of, yes, all networked devices. Wait. Network keyword. It's network interface card. Yeah. What? It work interface card, and it worked. Are you sure about that? Let's see. This is, yeah, okay.